Okay, I'm going to show you one corner as if I've shown you many corners. Okay, so just pay attention, have your knives ready. I always use a little chisel like that to push the corner in, otherwise you'll hurt your finger. Right, simple. So everything is in, you can see it, make sure, feel it, it's all in. Right, so okay, there you go. Nicely done. So just follow right from the middle of the cove former and pull it to you. It doesn't have to be accurate, just follow the corner like this, okay? You've got an option of going from the left into the cove former or from the right. It's up to you. Right, I'll just push it a little bit with that. Right, so now use your hook blade, just go about 5 mil extra, follow it all the way around, don't be scared, because you know for the fact when you bring that there and you're cutting it, you've got like about 10-50 mil extra there. Okay, so that's in. Push it with something that's not too sharp, and then always use a sharp blade. I advise you not to use blunt blade. Right, just go from here, cut it into the capping. 5 mil will do. Okay, there you go. And then stop there, stop from down this end. 5 mil, so it goes right under the capping. Don't cut it short. Pay attention, otherwise you won't be able to repair it if you cut it short, okay? Right, tiny little bit from that. Make sure it's nice and there, it's done, yeah? This is really thick capping. There are two types of capping. This capping that I've used is really thick, so you can literally just get your chisel and with your thumb tag it right under, so you don't need to warm it up or use a screwdriver. There are another type of capping. You might have to use a screwdriver. Okay, there we go, simple as that. Done. So you can either use this or you can use your roller. Again, if you don't have enough power in your finger, push it with this. There we go. Use your hook blade. Never go from there. Just come a little bit this way. Yep. Use your straight blade. And then one more time. Don't cut the capping. Pull it away. Don't cut the vinyl behind it. Just learn how to feel that your blade is not touching the vinyl behind it. You see how accurate that is? Any extra bit, cut it off. Even if you get 1 mil gap there, doesn't matter, the weld rod will fill it in. Right, again, put your hook blade there, nice and sharp. Just go 5 mil extra into the capping. Then scratch the capping. Practice, you'll cut nice and smooth. Again, there is a tiny little extra bit of vinyl. Cut that. There you go. Just tag that in. You can warm it up as well if you want, but it's nice and simple. I don't want to warm it up because the gun will make too much noise. There you go. Take your time. So you can use a board like that, handmade, or you can use, I've got my roller here, one second. Or you can use an expensive roller like this. Just roll it on. Right, thank you very much. I hope this has helped everybody. There you go, that's a beautiful corner. So I'm going to cut them all in, but it's going to take time. So that corner is done, nice and beautiful. Okay, everything is done. Now you can see it, how beautiful it's looking. corner needs to be done nice and neat, so the welding will look nice.